Have you ever wondered who makes sure your lights turn on, your fridge stays cold, and your home stays warm during the winter? Let's take a look at the professionals behind our everyday comfort, electricians. Hi, I'm Matt Jones, and I've been working in the electrical industry for nearly 10 years. Today, we're going to explore what electricians do, the skills they need, and why this career might be for you. At its core, electricians are the power professionals of the construction industry. Electricians install, maintain, and repair electrical systems in homes, commercial buildings, industrial facilities, or really anywhere that needs power. Our job begins where the lineman's work ends. Linemen deliver power from the power plants to the individual properties through power lines. At these properties, they connect these lines to transformers, which reduce the voltage to levels that are safer and more practical for everyday use. As electricians, we take over from here, distributing power to where it's needed throughout the property. Whether it's outlets, air conditioning units, or electric vehicle chargers, we install the necessary switchgear, electrical panels, conduit, wire, and other components to ensure that electricity reaches its final destination safely and efficiently. There are several different types of electricians, including residential, commercial, and industrial. Residential electricians build and renovate homes or apartment complexes. Commercial electricians handle businesses in retail environments, and industrial electricians focus on factories, mines, and large production facilities. Many people ask me, what's a typical day like as an electrician? This is a challenging question because there truly isn't a typical day. The electrical trade offers an endless variety of tasks, each unique to the job site, making every day different and exciting. Despite the variety, however, there are several common tasks you are likely to encounter. Foremost among these is pulling wire. Since electricity travels through wires, a significant portion of our job involves either running or protecting wires. Many wires come pre-encased in either metal or plastic sheathing, ready to be pulled directly out of the packaging. These are typically installed inside walls or attics. Other wires need to be placed in some form of conduit, a type of tubing. As an electrician, you'll likely spend a substantial amount of time bending, shaping, and installing conduit from panels to their endpoints. After setting up the conduit, the next step is pulling the wire through it. Other frequent tasks are installing electrical panels, circuit disconnects, light fixtures, and outlets, the basic components of any electrical system, essential in nearly every building in the country. The possibilities in this trade are truly limitless, and everyone's journey is different. I've been on job sites where a second-year apprentice has taught me, a journeyman, how to perform a specific task because they had the experience that I didn't. You'll constantly learn new things in this trade, and I assure you, it will never bore you. To become an electrician, you typically need to be at least 18 years old, hold a high school diploma or a GED, and have reliable transportation. Reliable transportation is crucial because job site locations often change, and public transportation may not always be available. As an aspiring electrician, you should possess strong problem-solving skills, a solid understanding of math, proficiency in basic algebra is highly recommended, and meticulous attention to detail. Electricians must master hands-on skills to build electrical systems, as well as understand electrical theory, building codes, and safety regulations. Most electricians begin their career with an apprenticeship that blends classroom learning with practical experience. I highly recommend the IBEW apprenticeship program, which typically lasts 4 to 5 years. During this time, apprentices work under experienced professionals to learn the trade in a structured and supportive environment. After completing an apprenticeship, electricians are required to pass a licensing exam, which varies by state or county. Continuing education is essential to keep on top of technological changes and evolving regulations. To learn more about becoming an electrician and the IBEW apprenticeship program, check out our other videos on this topic or visit ultimateelectriciansguide.com. If you're intrigued by a career that combines physical work with intellectual challenges, you should consider becoming an electrician. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for notifications on our latest videos. See you next time.